I'm going to talk about upcoming patterns. So the upcoming pattern from February 12th to February 15th, or it could be earlier or later because there is no weather warnings. So not even yellow. So let's go to not going to say that actually. So 1020, 1016, 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 24 hours after that, which is 7 p.m. So 1024 millibars of pressure. That's only one. So let's go to 7 p.m. February 13th, Friday the 13th. So 1020, 1016 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 7 p.m. There is 1020 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. This is precipitation pattern. So, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sun Beach, Salabay, Midland, Aurora, Betty, Georgia, Babla, Luxembourg. Doses are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 4 p.m. So, Collingwood, Betty, Beverly Hills, Georgia, Aurora, Uxbridge, doses of Palm Beach. Doses are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. So, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Betty, Beverly Hills, Uxbridge, don't skip that. So, almost whole Niagara Falls city doses except Uxbridge is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower, which is actually we could do Uxbridge. Uxbridge is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next tower, which is 10 p.m. So it's gonna take a while. So Collingwood, so I need to draw lines. So Collingwood, Palm Beach, Betty, Beverly Hills, Sport, Westwood, Scarborough, Stouffville, Ooks. Not doing that. So Niagara Falls City, doses are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. We're not doing Newmarket yet, so it's too far to the west. So let's go to 7 a.m. So Niagara Falls City, most part of Niagara on the lake, those it's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. So most part Niagara Falls City and most part Niagara on the lake is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1 p.m. There is nothing else. 4 p.m. There's nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else for sure. 10 p.m. There is nothing else. Let's go to 7 a.m. There's nothing else. 10 a.m. There's nothing else. 1 p.m. There's nothing else. 4 p.m. Orilla, Orilla is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. So, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Solabay, Midland, Orilla, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Dorset are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 a.m. This is 10 p.m. That's Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Solabay, Midland, Orilla. Ports of Scarborough, which is eastern Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, no, Uxbridge. So Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Collingwood, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m. There's nothing else. 10 a.m. There's nothing else. 1 p.m. There's nothing else. 4 p.m. There's nothing else. 7 p.m. There's nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else. Let's go to 7 a.m. There is nothing else. 10 a.m. There's nothing else. 1 p.m. There's nothing else. 4 p.m. There's nothing else. 7 p.m. There's nothing else. 10 p.m. There is actually nothing else. So let's look at total precipitation, which is 24 hours. So let's go to 7 p.m. So in 1 millimeters of rain is Niagara Falls City. Niagara on the lake is going to be close to 1 millimeters of rainfall, so it could be 0.8 millimeters. So in Sissaga, Brampton, and Orangeville, it's gonna be 0.7 millimeters. 0.2 millimeters, that's mean average, but Brampton's gonna be 0.3 millimeters, and 0.5 millimeters in Orangeville. Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket's gonna be 0.2 millimeters of rainfall. Whiteton is 0.2 millimeters. Hope's Way is 0.2 millimeters. Collingwood 0.7 millimeters. Scarborough borderline 0.2. So the Scarborough borderline. Hope's is actually nothing. Big London. So let's go to next hour, next 24 hours, which is 7 p.m. Friday the 13th, February 13th, 2026. So Palm Beach, Solid Bay, Midlands gonna get some 0.7 millimeters, 0.6 is on the beach. Lilla's gonna be 1 millimeters. So Peterborough 1 millimeters. Coburg is gonna be 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So this Belleville's gonna get some 0.6 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to next hour, which is February 14th. So Scarborough's gonna get some 0.7 millimeters. Oshawa is gonna get 1 millimeters. 1 millimeters in Melville. So Coburg is gonna get some 0.7 millimeters. That's borderline. So Peterborough is gonna get some 0.6 millimeters of rainfall. So Uxbridge actually sees nothing. Stouffville actually sees 0.2 or 0. Actually 0.6 or 0.2 between those. So it's gonna be 0.6 most of the time. So actually 0.2 millimeters of rainfall is actually in Stouffville, so that's actually one. So let's do Coburg. Oh, Coburg doesn't need to be corrected. So let's go to 114 hours. There is nothing, even though zero doesn't count. Doesn't count for the southwest of Ontario actually. So southwest of southern and whatever. I'm not gonna say that. So let's go to precipitation. Total snowfall 24 hours. Refresh. So 7 p.m. So Brampton 0.4, Mississauga 0.3, Toronto 0.3, Scarborough 0.3, Stouffville 0.3, Richmond Hill 0.3, Newmarket 0.4, Orangeville 0.5, Whiteton 0.3, Collingwood 0.7. So Niagara on Lake 0.8, Niagara Falls City is 1.4. The mean average everywhere Niagara Falls is going to be 1.2 centimeters. Hamilton 0.2, Oakville 0.2, Oakville IBS 0.4, 0.4. Solid B 0.1, so there's nothing in Lake Cinco. So Port Elgin, nothing. Hanover, nothing. So let's go to next hour, which is 24 hours after that, 66 hours of the metal model run. So Collingwood 1.2, Alala 1.4 centimeters. So Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be, Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be 0.3, Solid B 0.6, Midlands going to be 0.6. Coburg 0.6, Peterborough 1.3, Belleville 0.7, Uxbridge 0.1 centimeters. So let's go to next hour, which is let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. Sony Market 0.2, Stouffville 0.2, Uxbridge with 0.2, Oshawa 0.9, Peterborough 0.5, Coburg 0.4, Belleville 1.3. So let's go to next hour because there is nothing. Including Scarborough 0.2 actually, but it's 0.1. It was 0.2 for a while, actually at 6 p.m. Between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. So let's actually go to next hour, which is 114 hours, which is end of the model run. There is nothing else. So let's actually wait for air temperature pattern. So air temperature patterns. So not feels like. So let's look at 3 p.m. Whitehaven -3, Collingwood -3, Brampton -1, Mississauga minus. Oh, let's start again. So Whitehaven -3, Collingwood -3, Brampton -1. 0 degrees to Mississauga, down Toronto -0 degrees, -1 is Scarborough, -2 Sisson, Stouffville, Newmarket, Orangeville -2, Uxbridge -3, Oshawa -1, Peterborough -2, Coburg -2, 0 degrees in Belleville, Hamilton 1 -1, Oakville -1, Everywhere in Niagara Falls, -1 degrees. Lions Head and Hopes is going to be -3 degrees. Palm Beach, going to be -2 degrees. Solid Dun Beach, -2. Solid Bay is going -3. Midlands going -3. Olala, Prairie, -3. Beverly Hills, -2 degrees. Georgia, -2 degrees. Port Elgin, -3. Hanover is going to be -3 degrees. London. So Scarborough -1 degrees. So Richmond Hill. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. February 12th. Oh, it's frozen. So it won't show up. So not it. So Whitehall -7, Collingwood -7, Brampton -6, Mississauga -6, South Toronto -6, Scarborough -8. Borderline. Stouffville -9, Newmarket -8, Orangeville -7, Uxbridge -10, Oshawa -10, 8, -7 Peterborough, Coburg -6, Belvoir -8, Hamilton -5, Oakwood's gonna be -4 degrees, Niagara on the Lake -4, Niagara Falls City -5, London, whatever. Boyle -7, Onward is gonna be -8 degrees, -7 degrees, so Lions and Hopes Bay is gonna be -6 degrees, -6 degrees, so Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Sotheby's -8 degrees, Midland -8 degrees, Olalla -8 degrees, Georgia -8, Beverly Hills is -9, Barrie is gonna be -9. So let's go to next tower. Goodbye. So the Mississauga is gonna be -6 degrees. So let's go to next tower, which is 3 p.m. Whitehall -6, Collingwood -7, Brampton -5, and Mississauga -5, Toronto -5, Scarborough -6, Stouffville -7, Newmarket -7, Orangeville -7, Uxbridge -7, Oshawa -6, Peterborough -7, Coburg -6, Belvoir -5, Hamilton -3, Oakville -3, everywhere in Niagara Falls -3.5. So, like I said, Obey is going to be -7 degrees. So, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be -8 degrees. Sotheby -7, Midland is going to be whatever. So Midland's actually -6 degrees, Odella -5 degrees, so Georgina -6, Beverly Hills -7, Barrie -7, so Scarborough -6 degrees, so Port Elgin, Hanover -6 degrees, so London. So let's go to next topic, which is Oakville, the warmest temperature -3, and the coldest -4 degrees. So that's actually air temperature for Oakville, whole city of Oakville. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So Whitehall -7, Collingwood -7, Brampton -12, Mississauga -11, Toronto -11, Scarborough -11.5, Stouffville -12. Scarborough, Richmond Hill is going to be -12. Scarborough is going to be -12. Hamilton -7. Everywhere in Niagara Falls -10. Newmarket -10. Orangeville -10. Uxbridge -13. Oshawa -13. So let's actually do order Uxbridge -13. Uxbridge -13. Peterborough -16. Coburg -13. Belvoir -18. Goodbye, whatever. Support Elgin -6. Hanover is going to be -6.5. Lions and Hopes Bay is going to be -6.5. So let's do Barrie. Barrie is gonna be -10. Georgia -10 degrees. Beverly Hills is gonna be -9 degrees. So -8 degrees or -9 degrees something. -11 degrees actually. So it's in Beverly Hills. Orla is gonna be -15 degrees. So Midland is gonna be -9 degrees or 10 degrees. Actually, could be -10 degrees. So, okay, let's do it Milan later on. So, Bomb Beat, Thunder Beat is going to be minus for -5 is in Bomb Beat, Thunder Beat, Sotheby, -8. Midland is going to be so -10 is in Midlands. So, London, whatever. So, let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So, then we correct. So, this will correct it. So White -2, Collingwood -2, Brampton -3, Mississauga -2, Toronto -2, -3, Stouffville Scarborough -2, 2.5, -3 is Sydney Market Orangeville, Uxbridge -3, Oshawa -3, Uxbridge -4, Peterborough -5, Coburg -3, Belvoir -5, Hamilton -2, Oakville -2, everywhere in Niagara Falls -2.5. Port Elgin, Hanover is going to be -2 degrees. Lions Head, Obey -2 degrees. Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland -2 degrees. Ottawa is going to be -3. Georginia -3. Beverly is -3. Perry -3 degrees. London. This is Saga -2. So let's go to next stop, which is 7 a.m. So Whiteham is 8, Collingwood -3, London. So everywhere in Niagara Falls -3, Hamilton -2, Oakville is gonna be -2, -1 is in Oakville, the warmest temperature. The cold is -2 degrees, -1. So Brampton -1, Mississauga -1, Toronto -1, Stouffville -1, Scarborough -1, Newmarket Orangeville -2, Uxbridge -2, Oshawa -0, Peterborough -1, Coburg 1 degrees, Belvoir 1 degrees, Boylston -5, Hanover, let's do Hanover again. So Hanover is going to be -6.5 degrees. So Palm Beach is going to be -4 degrees, close to. Solid Bay -5, Midland is going to be minus something else. So it's gonna be -5 degrees, so it could be -6 degrees. Actually, it could be -6 degrees. It's in Midland, or -6, Barrie -3. So Georginia -2, Bablia is -2 degrees. So Line said Obey is going to be -5 degrees, actually -6 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So it's gonna take a while. So 3 p.m. So Whitehall 1 degrees, Collingwood 1 degrees, Brampton 1 degrees. Everywhere in Toronto it's gonna be 1 degrees. South Toronto, no, Orangeville, Newmarket's it's gonna be -1 degrees. Stouffville 1 degrees, Uxbridge 1 degrees, Oshawa 1 degrees, Peterborough 1 degrees. Coburg 1 degrees, Belvoir 1 degrees, Hamilton with 2 degrees, Oakville 2 degrees, Oakville coldest temperature is 1 degrees, warmest temperature is 2 degrees, everywhere in Niagara Falls 2 degrees, London. So everywhere Lake Simcoe is 1 degrees. So Lions Head, Obey, Watertown is gonna be 1 degrees. Port Elgin 0 degrees, Hanover is going to be 0 degrees. So Palm Beach is going to be -0 degrees, I mean like 1 degrees. Thunder Beach is -1, Solid Bay -0, it could be 0 degrees. So Collingwood 1 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m., which is February 15th, the close to the final day, 7 a.m. So Whitehall -7, Collingwood -7, Brampton -6, Mississauga -5, Toronto -5, Scarborough -7, Stouffville -7. Newmarket -7, Orangeville -6, borderline something. Uxbridge -6, that's not borderline for Orangeville. So Oshawa is -3, Peterborough -4, Coburg -2, Belvoir -9, Hamilton -4, Oakville -4. That's the warmest temperature is -4 degrees. And actually, warmest temperature -3. The coldest temperature is mostly Mississauga, so it's going to be 5 degrees. So everywhere in Niagara Falls -6 degrees. So Port Elgin is going to be -4 degrees. Hanover is going to be -7 degrees. So Ottawa -7, Barrie -7, Georginia -7, Beverly Hills is -7. So Palm Beach is going to be -8, -8, -7 degrees. So -7 or -6 degrees. So -7 degrees in Thunder Beach, Sotheby -8, Midland -7. So whatever. So let's do Thunder Beach Wobbly. It's actually -7 degrees. So that's actually -6 degrees is in actually -6.5 is in Thunder Beach. So Lions Head is gonna be minus something else. So Lions Head is actually going to be minus. It's gonna be -2 is in Lion's Head, so -3 minus. So -3 is in Hope's base. So let's look at next hour, which is 3 p.m. London. So 4 p.m. So Y time 4 degrees, Collingwood 2 degrees, Brampton 1 degrees, -1 degrees, -1 Mississauga, that's actually -2. Toronto -1, Scarborough -1, Stouffville -1, or Newmarket -1, Orangeville is going to be still orange for probably this time. So orange was actually 0 degrees. Uxbridge 1 degrees, Oshawa 1 degrees, Peterborough 1 degrees, Coburg 1 degrees, Belvoir 1 degrees, everywhere in Niagara Falls 2 degrees, Hamilton 2 degrees. That's the Hamilton, the Oakwood, the coldest temperature is -2, and the warmest temperature in Oakwood is actually -1 degrees. So let's look at Lake Simcoe. Orilla is gonna be -2 degrees. Georgia, Babylon is where is 1 degrees, where Bombay is -2. No, 2 degrees. Solid Bay, 2 degrees. Thunder Bay is going to be 2 degrees. Line. Hope's Bay is going to be 4 degrees. Lion's Head is going to be. Let's do Lion's Head properly this time. So let's do. So Lion's Head is going to be 1 degrees, 2 degrees. So it's going to be 4 degrees. So it's going to be 3 degrees. It's in Lion's Head. So let's go to next. Oh, Thunder Beach is actually, let's do properly. It's gonna be 2 degrees. So Midland's actually going to be 2 degrees. So London. So this is Hamilton -2 degrees. So this is the Port Elgin is 3 degrees. So Hanover is going to be 4 degrees. So this is the end of the video. So this is the end actual video. So